I'm going to show you how to make the easiest roast ever. Restaurant style pork belly. And why I say it's easy is it's been scored for you already. And if you want to make thinner incisions into it for a more crispier skin, then you need a sharp knife. And then all the salt gets in there, the fat comes out, and it all beautifully crisps up. Then a good grinding of salt, and then you just give it a massage. Get the salt a little bit into those incisions. Okay, while the pork is cooking, I'm going to make a beautiful peppercorn sauce, and it's one of my favorite sauces to make, and it really is easy. It's like steakhouse quality, probably even better. Got some green peppercorns, and then just give them a little bash. So I've got some butter. Always start with good butter. Some garlic. And you can let the butter go a little bit brown because it gives it a beautiful kind of caramelized taste as well. And then if you want to, I always like adding a little bit of bourbon or brandy or whiskey. You don't have to, but you need to. If you're going to add it at this stage because you need to burn it off and reduce it slightly. And be careful of the flames. And that's all going to cook off and reduce before we add beautiful fresh chicken stock. Now the peppercorns. And then we've got some cream. But just give it a little bit of time to reduce, just so that it thickens slightly. And then I'm just going to enhance the peppercorns just with some of these dried ones. And there we go. You can see when it started to thicken from the outside, it's ready. Can't wait to cut into this,
and
I can't wait. The main attraction.
Yes.
And then what I like to do is not thin slices. I like to just cut it into chunks. I mean, just look at that. The fat has kept the pork yummy and melting and absolutely delicious. And listen to that. The perfect crunch. And then yeah, I've just put a big platter. Of course, I would do 2 of these. I'm just going to pour it over. And then just plonk this all on top.